Good morning everyone. Today we are going to read out a chapter from class 3, chapter 3 double century. Let's start. 3 double century. The story of our numbers. Tens of thousands of years ago, people started counting. They wanted to keep records of their things. So they made marks on the wall of caves and on the barks of trees. Over time, they kept records of their things by making group of 5, 10, 20 and 60. Thousands of years ago, the ancient Indians created a method for writing any number, however large, using only 10 symbols. Zero, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. It was one of the most ingenious and creative inventions in human history. It made possible the invention of TVs, computers, mobile phones, and more. This method of writing numbers is now used everywhere, in every country in the world. A very important part of this invention was the introduction and use of the symbol. Zero to mean nothing. It is the number 0 that really made this system of writing numerals work. Over the next few months, we will learn how to write all numbers, however large, using just these 10 symbols. Let us do. Look at the picture. Estimate and write the number of each of the following objects. A. Oranges. B. Bangles. C. Laddus. D. Barfi. E. Bindis. F. Bananas. Answer the following on the basis of the snakes and ladders board. 1. Which number will you reach if you take the ladder from 30? 2. If you are on the snake at number 25, which number will you reach? 3. You are standing on 96. Which number on the die will take you to the snake's mouth? 4. So the number written on the tail of the longest snake using bundles and loose sticks. Let us think. I am a talking pot. Tell me any number and I will tell you the next. I said 42. Pot said 43. I said 63. Pot said blank. I said blank. Pot said blank. I said 39. Pot said blank. I said blank. Pot said 90. I said 99. Pot said 100. What is 100? And one more makes 100. One more than 99 is 100. 10 bundles of 10 sticks. Each is 100 sticks. Oh, he scored a century. That is 100 runs. 10 packets of 10 bindis. Each makes 100. Teachers note. Encourage children to represent numbers with matchsticks in the form of bundles and loose sticks. These beads are also 100 in number. Let us do. 1. Fill in the blanks. Making 100 number sentences. 70 and 30 makes 100. Blank and blank makes 100. Blank and blank makes 100. Bolu made 100 by jumping on 65 and then 35 more. 65, 35. Make 100 by different jumps on this number line. 2. Use matchstick bundles and a ginladi to make 100 in different ways. Fill the table below. 60 and 40 makes blank. Blank and 25 makes 100. Blank and blank makes 100. 45 and blank makes 100. Blank and 85 makes 100. Blank and blank makes 100. 3. Write numbers in the blank spaces inside the flower petals so that the numbers in each petal add up to 100. 100, 37 plus blank, blank plus 81, blank plus 25, 60 plus blank, 45 plus 55, 100, 9 plus 91, blank plus 0. Let us explore. How many are 100? 1. Open a full box of matchsticks. Estimate the number of matchsticks in the box. Count the number of matchsticks in the box. How close was your estimate? How many boxes of matchsticks will get the total close to 100 matchsticks? Blank boxes. 2. Take a handful of seeds like kidney beans, chickpeas, etc. Estimate the number of seeds you have in your hand. Count the number of seeds in your hand. How many handfuls of seeds will get the total close to 100 seeds? Blank, handfuls. Are those 100? Yes. 10 bundles of 10 sticks means one bundle of 100. Let's observe the table and learn to write numbers beyond 100. Fill in the blank spaces. 101 makes 101. 101. 102 makes 102. 102. 103 makes 100 blank. 104 makes 100 blank. 104. 105 makes 105. 106 makes 100 blank. 107 makes 107. 108 makes 100 blank. 109 makes 100. 110 makes 110. 110. Fill in the blank spaces on the number line given at the edge of the page. 100 blank. 102 blank. 104 105 blank. Blank. 108 blank. 110. Let us do 1. Let's continue making numbers above 100 using matchstick bundles and loose sticks. In the table given below, identify the bundles and loose sticks and write the corresponding numbers. Bundles and sticks. Matchstick bundles. 100 tens, ones. Number 1, 2, 3, 123. Extend this table in your notebook till 150. Do you observe something common in all the numbers? Match the numbers with the correct bundles and loose stick. 101, 116, 110, 100, 140. Oh, talking pot is back. It will say 1 more than whatever you say. Bolu said, pot said. 127, 128, 109, blank, 134, blank. Bolu said, pot said. 105, blank, blank, 150, 100, blank. Fill the blank spaces on the number line. 100, 110, 120, blank, blank, 150. So the following numbers on the number line below. 1. Place an arrow on 125. 2. Make a tree 112. 3. Make a smiley on 149. 4. Put a cross on 137. 100, 110, 120, 125, 130, 140, 150. Let us play. Clap, snap, and pat. One clap represents 100. One snap represents 10. One pat represents 1. Two claps represents 200. Two snaps represents 20. Two pats represent 2. Play this game in two teams. One team will show a number using clap, snap and pat, and the other team will guess it. Example, clap, snap, snap, pat, pat means 123. I can create numbers by clap, pats and snaps. Guess the numbers I make. Let's now count beyond 150. Pictorial form. Matchsticks bundles. 100, tens, ones. Number sentence. Number name. 1, 5, 0. 150, 1, 5, 1. 151, 152, 1, 3, 100 and 153, 1, 5, 100 and 154, 1, 5, 155, 1, 6 and 56, 156, 5, 7, 100 and 157, 158, 159. Extend this table till 200. In your notebook, how much is 200? Let us do at home. 1. Fill a small container like a small bowl with seeds such as kidney beans, chickpeas, etc. 2. Look closely at the container to estimate how many seeds are in it. Your estimate seeds. 3. Now count and see how close your estimation is to the actual number of seeds. Count it. Seeds. 4. Guess how many times you need to fill the container to get close to 200 seeds. Your guess times. I can show 200 on the number line 2. 150 plus 50 is equal to 200. 140 plus 60 is equal to 200. Write the numbers in order on the stones. Let us do jumping game. 1. Draw jumps of 5 on the number line and write the numbers on the number line in the given spaces. 100, 110, 120, 130, 140, 150. 2. Continue jumps of 20 and write the missing numbers on the given number line. 100, 120, 200. 3. Fill in the table. 1 less, number, 1 more. 160, 129, 187, 134, 158. 4. So at least 2 different ways of making the following numbers. A. Use matchstick bundles to make 125. B. Make 145 using a ginladi. C. Make 170 on a number line. 5. Fill in the empty boxes appropriately. Number, pictorial form, matchstick bundles, 100, tens, ones, numbers and tens. 114, 114 more. 132 more. 172, 30 more than 150. 110, 120, 130, 140, 150, 160, 170, 180, 190, 200. 6. Mark the following numbers on the number line. A. 109, 112, 124, 134, 146. 100, 110, 120, 130, 140, 150. B. 155, 163, 178, 189, 198. 150, 160, 170, 180, 190, 200. C. 125, 142, 153, 174, 199. 100, 120, 140, 160, 180, 200.